Hey, what's up everybody? This is Sheriff. I am excited to talk to you about today about a testimonial from Igor, and he put out a great campaign and awesome campaign. So I just wanted to show you some proof here. I got 4 sales and there's potentially 5 more pending. Just an awesome campaign. So what I did is I went to his program. He put up a landing page for me, and also went up to, I think it was 350 clicks almost. I have to see the numbers, but let me just show you what I found here. I'm gonna actually just go to my screen here, kind of do it the old-fashioned way. Now here let's take a look at this. This is the landing page you see here that he created. Awesome. And this is the stats I got here. Now I'm just gonna go here for a minute. Let's see here. I'm gonna make sure I cover this. I know it's kind of homemade stuff here, but look at this. As you can see here, there's some commissions here. I'm hiding the names of the people, obviously, just for identity reasons. But you can see here there's 4 sales, okay, and there's actually about 3-4 more pending. Those are actually, as you can see, it says they're approved, so they're going to be pending. So awesome stuff. Just wanted to show you, awesome deal. Great job, Igor. And if I were you, go with the program. Have a great day.